Hey guys, we have had tons of requests from you asking us to do something from the game Fortnite. Recently, Epic Games reached out to us to see if we wanted to try playing the game. I got together with my friend Keith from K-Face TV and Hunter, who's one of the video editors for the King of Random. In the game, you've got a small squad that's your team and you're fighting with 100 players on a map that's constantly shrinking to bring all of the action closer together. The game is super fast to download and get started playing, and we had a lot of fun. You can play PvP of up to 100 players, there are buildable structures, and you can play with your friends in duos and squads. Grab some friends, grab some weapons, and see if your squad comes out on top. Fortnite Battle Royale is now free to play on PC, Mac, PlayStation 4, Xbox One, and mobile. Click the link in the description to download Fortnite for free and start playing today. Rather than just playing the game, I wanted to do something next level, so I went ahead and I built one of the weapons from the game. This here is called the Vindertech Rocket Slammer. This rocket slammer is made from a little PVC, some craft foam, and a little bit of styrofoam. It took about 20 hours to make. In our next two videos, we'll show the build process for this hammer, but before that, we needed to test it out. Check the link in the description below to get started playing Fortnite today. Remember to come back to see our next two videos where we show you how we made this hammer if you want to try making one yourself. Hey guys, there's still more for you to see. There's a little box up at the top that'll transport you directly to our last video. Go check it out. If you click that box at the bottom, it'll take you to what YouTube thinks you should be watching next. And if you hit that bomb, you'll become a subscriber so you never have to miss a video again. Don't forget to ring that bell and we'll see you in the next one. Talk to you then.